This is item number 10317 with M&M Equipment Corp. This is a Daniels DMX 200 quad mixer. It's a stainless steel construction. It has forward and reverse mixing. It has 4 position dump angles. It's mounted on swivel locking casters. It has removable paddles, as you see here. And these paddles operate in opposite directions. It's fitted with safety switches, so when you open the top, it cuts power. We have an LED timer. It has a hopper capacity of 200 pounds and a dump height of 16¼ inches. You see here it also has a drain plug, and it all runs off of 208 to 240 volts, 3-phase. It has a timer reset. Here you see it's in the forward position. Stop it. Switch to reverse. And I'll open the lid and show you the safety switch working. Again, this is item number 10317 with M&M Equipment Corp.